Hi, I'm Jason King with Amatech Drexelbrook, and I'll be showing you how to calibrate a multi-point today. The first step is to determine the correct range. This is based on probe type and highest set point on the probe. Reference section 3.1, pages 16 and 17 in the manual. Apply power and verify that the power LED is lit. Now we are going to set relays 1, 2, and 3 to high level by moving these toggles to the right, HLFS. We're going to raise level to the lowest set point on our probe. After that is done, turn the delay counterclockwise until you feel resistance. Don't turn that too hard, otherwise you can break it. Okay, we are going to now turn relay 1's set point counterclockwise until the LED is out. We're going to do the same with relay 2 set point. We're going to do the same with relay 3 set point. Now that all three are out, we are going to turn our differential cal on. Move the toggle to the right. Take your differential cal pot marked DIF, turn it counterclockwise until you feel resistance or hear a clicking. Ours is all the way counterclockwise. Now we're going to turn differential cal off. Relay 1, we're going to turn clockwise until the LED is lit. Okay, now I'm going to slowly go counterclockwise until it goes off, and then go back clockwise just until it comes on, again going very slowly. Okay, now we need to raise our level to pump stop. Okay, we are going to turn relay 2's set point slowly clockwise until relay 2 LED is illuminated. So there it was. We're going to go back counterclockwise very slowly and then go clockwise again. This is just making sure that we've tuned that pot exactly where we want it. There we go. Okay, now we're going to raise level to pump start. Okay, once we are at the pump start, we are going to switch the differential tab back to on. We're going to use the differential set point right here until relay 2 is illuminated. We are going to go clockwise. There it is. Now we're going to go counterclockwise very slowly until it comes out. And then go clockwise very slowly. Again, this is just tuning the pot to make sure we're exactly where we want to be. There we go. Okay, we're going to now turn the differential switch off. And we're going to raise our level to the high level. Okay, we're going to turn relay 3's set point clockwise slowly until relay 3's LED is illuminated. Counterclockwise until it just goes off. Then clockwise again. Okay, now at this point you can leave this lit, but the level is going to have to come slightly higher in order to send that alarm, or you can set it back down so it is just off, and then you'll trip right at the point that you have set. We're going to change relay 1 to low level failsafe, because that's how we have this set up. Okay. Now we're going to run level out of the vessel to watch the LED changes. Okay, so relay 3 just alarmed, or just went out of alarm. Relay 1 is out of alarm now. Relay 2 is still in alarm, and she'll be coming out of alarm when we hit pump stop. There, relay 2 is out of alarm. And we'll be coming down onto our low level where you'll see relay 1 go into alarm. There it is. That's calibrating the multi-point.